palela Brian Ninja, na yena e pala Brown Ninja bangwe.
I usually hold till 0.01 it's on a 5K by 0.
You know, man, King Blue, you know when last did I see 0.1 via maybe 4.5? Maybe it was a year before last year I choose. That was
Mana, you remember by the time you was at Devon, you was in charge 0.01. I told you like let me see your MC. The next thing you saw 4K. You remember?
oh yeah.
Yeah.
But that was fast. I mean, Pella, like that was fast. I mean, technically, not fundamentally, Joe. Technically, namfana ka yay. Didn't work say corner like I can't now. You like.
I wanna know now I can hold. Like I know that I can hold. Mara, like if I can open like a lot size, like from 0.20 size, hey Joe, now I can't be holding for.
Marabone, you hold well over till a margin call. So
yeah.
obviously one has get bar fast. Let's say it's just a lot size, maybe 0.10. It has to go each in 0.1 has to go 5,000, which is 50,000. You know, it's Kimbla. Never saw anyone. I it's 0.10 50,000 in our group. Oh, I only see 7K, and what I haven't moved. If it goes 7K, they haven't moved. That thing can move.
Like sometimes, like I remember exactly one. Like I entered Demon with 1.3. I saw like 15K. Why it's like I wanted to hold me, but then the thing I funded with 1.3. Hey, it wasn't sitting me well.
When if a person tells you to hold, you don't hold. But if a person say exit, that's when you hold. Be like, yeah, I'm holding.
I'm holding. Yeah, now like that.
Now market is no longer the same. Names. The market even like 3 months back, 4 months back, things change, man.
Usually I hold till 0.01. It's on a 5K. Yo,
Like the market used to go, Joe. 0.1. One of my students once held 0.1. I cannot 10K. I funded 10K. That person hold until it comes back. I cannot lose and eventually blow the account. It means that person holds 20K. Hey, Pelabo, Nagiri 10. Better 10 ya profit. Yeah, better 10 ya. 0.01. No fight. 0.01.
From the turning point at 10K profit to the loss at 10K, it's 20K.
It's 20K. Man. Got that entry. And that student was brave. And I regret because he asked me when he was like 3K. He was like, can I exit? I was like, man, where did you take the abilities to hold it?
Like, man, you saw 10K with 0.01. Man, just imagine 10K.
And technically, like he healed for like 3 days. When I have 10K, man. I will blow 3 days. 1 day fail. 1 day. 4 hours. 4 hours fail. Gone.
I felt like that one. Nanya go 100K 0.01 and like
Said you wanna invest. I choose. The man was investing. You know that 0.01 can make $1 million if you're investing.
It can make $1 million. It depends. Like when are you entering the trade?
It was last year's market. Remember last year's market nearly like brilliant until like he was gonna get it. I think he was gonna get it.
It was great. You know, if 0.01 can run like from 10K to 10K loss, why is it, man? Like, how many points is that, man?
CPI is coming. Brokers gonna make us refuse to take. No brokers, they refuse us to enter. Imagine.
Now, like, I feel like I can talk to both markets on 5 like, no about again, guys. Hopla regita naga 29. The start of not gonna fail. Like, I just want to enter. Even if I don't close, it's a fail.
Hey. Now my account, they make sure that I close. If you don't allow me to close, I'm gonna make $1 million. Remember that day? That day they didn't allow me to close. How much did I close? 150,000. If you don't allow me, I'm not like a cruiser.
I feel like they can allow like they can see this is my account and then be like, okay, Karabu can enter the rest of codes. Like yes, sir. CPI. I'm not
Mara,
sleeping.
I think people catch feelings. Mfana, that's why, because now for us, when it says off code, we know it's part of the game, but they are playing their part. You just have to come up
And
with
then,
another idea.
that of course, man, it's like why is it of course like because again, like they give us a certain price, man. That price, if it passes before CPI, from that price you're gonna see, of course, until it comes back there.
Mm.
They
Now,
leave the
if the
prices.
code, Mfana, I just withdraw my man, but I know my heart will
Then
never.
now, I told you last time when I didn't even
Not
hesitate.
choosing
Like
a
I
fund
just
at
saw.
2000, no, I will never. Not if I find my money, it should blow or make money.
Yeah,
Well,
exactly. But I'm not
I have
that
to
game.
start
You saw it. When I was running, no, say, 125K, and I'd be like holding my 10K. I was like, should I follow? Hey,
When was that?
ah, last time, the time like you intended buying CPI, then it sold.
Oh, that day.
Yeah, I was like, let me just follow. But hey, I am right, chief.
Ninja, let's make our own broker and manipulate. We can make a lot of money. Trust me, bruh. The manipulate part.
Like
After
no,
manipulate, plus us, we can analyze and know the direction. But if I want to buy, for better spikes and sell, you.
and
Mm,
I wanna the only thing that I respect me. I wanna spikes a CPI. Pan, that's the best spike ever, pan.
the one that once took you out to find the 10K.
Yeah, that one was the best. Like since that day, I learned Urbana. A second, yes, I can humble your day, man.
But if it was your book and you were gonna survive,
Yeah, yeah, and I was gonna survive,
that was
man.
how we gonna survive, Maravel.
Although I'm not sorry, then Karawe, he can be our CEO.
Oh,
Hey.
Argas Kor- we na tauba.
CEO ko na ki. CEO or power ng CEO. One of our CEO. Now we will follow.
Do you know like FOMC? I like FOMC. NFP and this one they don't know what they're talking about.
They don't know. You know spec of FMC. Joe, when FMC spec say FMC, it's nothing, Joe. Like if you ever sell it like CPI, you'll understand Laura, it's nothing.
NFP and FOMC just moved two ways because there's another event that is okay at the same. Stay humble, stay like that. I don't know. I'm not humble now.
Karawa, you very humble, stay like that. Now then, do you know spec of FMC?
Mm.
I've been trading CPI. You know what I like? I'm not gonna tell you what I can get CPI. But then the digital winner, I'm gonna tell you my story. Ninja knows the story of CPI. Hey,
When you trade with people, they will lose. Sometimes you don't even.
yes, but
Last time you 70K, while closer broker it's a Mesa save. I don't know what is it that you're gonna close.
um, para que blue cherry, yevaria. Pari yanda yaw ba ka chu. Who is Karabo? Hey, let me give the Karabo man.
Why Bobby Tagalibito Lao boy?
They know me.
Oh, when I'm on the DM mo. Alright.
I feel
Because
like
fella
CPI.
same person right when he says to me K.
No, they don't know me. Not about it.
Did
Do
you
you
guys have
guys
a J?
easy or hard journey?
Oh a G. I
Also,
have to prepare. I have to prepare some other session now. You know,
like that.
overseas people this time go on our sharp now. Now and I wanna sleep. So I need to teach them and I'm gonna sleep around 1, 2
Mm,
there. Don't be
mm,
surprised when 100K in the middle of the night. Just know it's
mm,
after that last. Nah, I feel like kill, man.
yeah, well, no. Now I think I'm gonna sleep like around 10. Now I just, but like no,
Yeah.
like Serious,
10.
like
You,
I don't wanna
you,
tell you.
10,
Ah,
10.
we're
Blue,
gonna change.
you. Yeah.
Unless it's maybe I'll